Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today's video, I'm unboxing my Revel Nail anniversary sale packages. These orders were placed towards the end of June, and I received them early-ish July. So I'm showing you guys everything that I got. I got the mystery box, an ombre brush, and this is what I paid on that first order. So I really like the Revel Nail ombre brushes. They're really good. I love using these to do ombre designs, glitter ombre, solid ombres. And then this larger package was actually the first order that I placed with Revel. And what I ordered was their hand towel, the anniversary set, and the self-cleaning nail art brush. And then I got a freebie in it too. I'm really excited for this self-cleaning nail art brush. With blue being my favorite color, I could not resist the anniversary set. So this year they're called Elevate and Celebrate, and the reason why there's an 8 at the end of them is because this is Revel's 8th year anniversary of being in business. So I really liked this year's set. I also liked last year's, it was really cute. And the self-cleaning nail art brush seems pretty cool. There's a creator on Instagram and here on YouTube and TikTok called Beauty by Les. She has already used it and she makes it look so easy to use. So I'm excited to try it out. Apparently you can use gel, dip powder, polish, you name it. You can really just like put it in the liquid. The instructions are here for your viewing so you can really understand. Oh, and the instructions are also on the bottle, so that helps. The consistency of this is like water basically, but the brush is so thin. So I might need to buy a couple of these brushes in the future. We shall see. Anyways, moving on, I have a freebie. This was the anniversary freebie with a pretty jacked up label. That's not centered, but whatever. It's about what's inside, not the outside. But since you can't see the year written on it, I just wrote it in Sharpie. I also got the towel because I love getting these towels from companies. I have the Triple D one, the Sparkle & Co one, and now I have this Revel Nail one. So I'm really excited, and my goodness, this is actually a really good size towel. I thought it was going to be smaller. It is a very vibrant though, so I'm afraid that this might bleed in the wash. So I'm going to have to wash it with light colors before I put it to use. So I'm going to pull out this ruler and measure. My ruler only goes to 12 inches, but this is looking probably like 16, 18 inches at most, all the way across. And then down, it's just over 12 inches down, but it covers a good portion of your work surface. So if you're someone who wants a towel dedicated just for nails, this might be what you need. Alright, moving on, I got the mystery box as well. If you haven't gotten your order yet, I'm sorry for spoiling it for you. But here is the Sizzlin' Summer Mystery Box. There's 5 colors, and they have basically been releasing their mystery boxes in half-ounce sizes lately. It used to be 1-ounce sizes, but now they're half ounces. Anyways, this is a yellow called Solar Coaster. Then you have like a really pretty magenta called Air Kiss. String Bikini. This looks like it is a glitter. Yeah, there's some glitter in there, so that's nice. I love glitters. Sunday is an orangey shimmer. And lastly, Slow Burn is looking to be like an orangish red. Alright, so I'm going to open them all up so I can take a closer look. And yep, that's pretty. I like this. I like this. And then at the end of the video, then I'm going to show swatches of everything so you can see them all side by side. So this right here is the anniversary sale freebie, and then we have Elevate and Celebrate. So this one actually glows, which is why I wanted it. I didn't really care for the glitter as much as I did for the solid. I wanted a blue that glows, so yeah. Alright, so here are the swatch photos that I took. Here is the Summer Sizzlin' Mystery Box. So fun fact is they actually change colors. So if it's been exposed to UV, you're going to notice the yellow color, the fourth color, and also the glitter, the first color, change colors a little bit. So if you have to rewind to see the comparison, I would do that. Here is just a little video showing the dimension and the sparkle. So here is the anniversary sale freebie, and then we have the two colors that were the anniversary set. There's so many anniversary names in this. Anyways, that is it for this video and this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys got anything during the anniversary sale at all, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!